Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2014 Toyota Highlander. And on this Toyota Highlander we're going to go over how you would replace your air filter, the engine air filter. So the engine air filter is located right here on the driver's side or the left side of the vehicle. And we have the air filter box right here. We got the battery right up in front. And so to remove this, you just need this clip here and this clip here, and then you can pull this up and pop it up out of the way. You can pop the air filter out. Then you take your new air filter and just drop it in. Mesh side up, metal side up, and then just make sure you've got these tabs on this side, up, top and bottom. Make sure it slides over into there, and then just close the clips here, and that's how you would replace your engine air filter on your 2014 Toyota Highlander. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.